خش له خش له فيديو خش له فيديو كده، افتح الفيديو انت قول له انا ما وصف له بس بالاشاره كده.
Hello.
اوكي كده.
That means I was muted. Now you are hearing me. Okay,
Yeah.
sorry for that. Thank you of all. Today we are going to talk and explain about the monitoring and evaluation. As you know, the monitoring and evaluation the program is one of the essential for the let the program or the project to be more efficient and more effective. Yeah. And this skill is very important as a public health professional, how we can assist and how we can improve the programs. Yeah. Now let me to share the the slide about the monitoring and evaluation. Before to share the slide, monitoring, that means we are going to, that means monitoring. We are collecting the data continuously or systematically. And evaluation, that means we are going to evaluate data which is collected from the monitoring. When you are evaluate data, that can let you to be aware how about the program is going. Yeah. How the program is going. Now let me to share the our to share. Okay, mungkin. Now the slide is visible. As we mentioned, today we are going to talk about the monitoring and evaluation of the programs. The monitoring is an ongoing process of collecting data to assess the progress of the program. That means we are ongoing process of the collecting of the data of the project. Evaluation, the systematic assessment of the program of a program effectiveness and impact after the implementation. That means in evaluation, we are going to make the assessment about the effectiveness of the program. Is it this program which you are implemented, is it effectiveness or just like our objective which you are put it, or also have the impact or have the impact? Yeah. This is the evaluation. The main purpose of the monitoring and evaluation, improve the program performance and ensure the accountability to let us to make sure the improvement of the performance of the program. Sometimes there is some obstacle or some problem during implementation of the programs here, but it is difficult to know about that problem. With the monitoring and evaluation, that can let you to be aware when you are aware what the exact mistake, that can let you to solve that mistake and can improve the performance of the programs. And additionally, they ensure the accountability to make sure how this resource has been distributed or has been used. Yeah, this is the main purpose or the main objective of the evaluation. It is to improve the performance and ensure the accountability. The importance of the monitoring and evaluation. Let us to see the importance of the monitoring and evaluation. Number one is the tracking progress. Tracking the progress help us to see the programs is ongoing based on the objective or goals or not. Yeah, to help us to schedule the programs, to see this project is going the same as our objective or not. Yeah, this is the one of the important of the monitoring and evaluation. In addition, to inform the decision making, when they provide the data and guide decision about the programs. If with the monitoring and evaluation, you collect the information and the data. This data can let you to aware how this program is going. If there is some mistake or is there some problem, you can fix it that problem. Yeah, and can take the good decision to solve that problem. Yeah, this is another importance of the monitoring, is the inform us to make the good decisions. Thirdly, the enhanced accountability to show the stakeholders how the resource used, or what the impact about that resource. This is the importance of the monitoring and evaluation. Yeah, because the donors and people benefit from that project, and also the managers, they know how this resource is distributed, or how this resource is used. Yeah, this is it is difficult to know how this resource is used without the monitoring and evaluation. That means this is also importance of the monitoring and evaluation.
If you are hearing us, we are.
Now it is clear. My voice is it clear?
No, we mean a slide.
Hello?
Slide. We're still in the
Hello?
same slide.
Hello, team. I hope my voice is audible. Hello, you hearing me?
Yeah, we can hear. It's okay.
Hello?
Yes,
Yeah, we are getting you now. Only the only issue was a slide, but now it's okay.
I don't know, perhaps the internet is not good. The key component of the monitoring. The component of the monitoring, the performance education indicators. This is how you can make the monitoring. Indicator, that means a specific measure used to assess the progress. In the beginning of the planning of the project or implementing the project, you put it the indicator of project. Like example, in our project, we are going to care about like 3,000 kids or 3,000 person in during the project. This is the indicator. That means 3,000 you have to distribute in the duration of the project. If the project 6 months, you can distribute 3,000 in the 6 months. That means that let you to know in every month how many persons you need to treat it, yeah, or to provide them the service. Yeah. This is indicators. Indicators, it is a measure can let you to track your project. And also, second component of the monitoring is the data collection method. Data collection method is also is considered as the component of the monitoring. Yeah, data collection method, that means how you are going to collect that information, or how you can going to collect that data. Yeah, you doing your project and project in the ground is working well to collect or to do the monitoring. To do the monitoring, you have to collect. You have the collection method. Collection method you can use like survey, like interview, like questionnaire. Sometimes you can use it. Yeah, it's the techniques that you are using to collect the information from the beneficiaries or about your project. This is the collection data. Third, the regular reporting. Also, this is the reporting of the program, or reporting of the project is the component of the monitoring. Sometimes during your project, if you are working with monitoring with the NGOs or even with the Ministry of Health, you sometimes request from you to share the report. Yeah, to share the report. Yeah, perhaps a weekly report or monthly report or daily report. Yeah, with the report that can let you to know, or you can to tracking or collection the information. Yeah, yeah. This is the three component of the monitoring. Performance indicators. Second is the data collection techniques or method, how you can collect your data or information. Third, to regular reporting about the project. Now let us to see the component of the evaluation. Yeah, evaluation it's have the component. One of the component is the evaluation question, and second is the type of the evaluators is the data analysis. Yeah, this is the evaluation. Yeah, in the evaluation question, that's the key question to guide the evaluation. Example, did your program or your project it is meet your objective or your goals? Yeah, that means this program, you can ask yourself or your team which they are working, this program or this project, is it the same like the objective that you are put it in the beginning of the project or not like that? Yeah, this is a very important question when you are doing your evaluation, to ask this one, because if you doing the some program or some project and not meet your objective, that means it's useless. Even the donors or stakeholders, they can request for you. They couldn't accept for that, yeah, at all, because when they give you the money, they give them based on the objective. Yeah, that means the evaluation is very important, and also the evaluation question is very important to ask yourself or to ask your team. These activities which you are doing, is it meet with your objective or not? Yeah. If you not meet with, if you are activities not meet with your objective, that means the useless. You have to meet. You have to make. You can change your activities, yeah, and see the activities that meet with your objective. Yeah, this is about the evaluation question. Second, the evaluation type. There is a two types of the evaluation. One is a formative evaluation. Second is a summative evaluation. Formative evaluation, that means you are doing evaluation during the project or program. Yeah, yeah. When you are collecting some data, you are make the evaluation how it's going. It is not. Yeah, that means it's a continuous evaluation during your project. This is the formative evaluation. Second is the summative evaluation, that you are evaluate after finishing the project, conducted after the implementing the project, to make the assess the effectiveness of the project. As I mentioned or talk about the before session about the effectiveness, that means your objective has been achieved 100%. Yeah, this is the effectiveness. Yeah, this is the effectiveness. Yeah. Third compound of the evaluation is the data analysis, reviewing the data to draw the conclusion about the program success. Yeah, this also is the compound of the evaluation. Yeah. Now let us to see the step about the M&E. Sometimes people say M&E, and also you can say it monitoring and evaluation process. There is a 5 step about the monitoring and evaluation process. One of the step of the monitoring and evaluation to define your goal and objective. Clarity is the stage. What's the program aim to achieve here? Yeah. One step about the monitoring and evaluation process, you have to clarify about the objective of the programs. Yeah, you have the to clear your objective about your project. This is the one step about the process of the monitoring and evaluation. Second, develop indicators. Develop the indicators, as I mentioned before one slide. Yeah, that means it is a measure about about your project. Yeah. Like in the indicators, you have to develop the indicators. That means during this program, you are going to provide the service in 5 health facilities. You are going to treat 10,000 people person. You are going to provide 30 bed at the facilities. That, yeah, you can clarify this indicator. This indicator, that means the measurement, how we can measure your objective. Yeah, yeah, you can do it like that. Yeah, when you are develop your indicators about your project, that means you are know your tracking. Yeah, yeah, this is the second objective. You are develop your indicators. Third one, create the monitoring and evaluation plan. Outline how the monitoring and evaluation will be conducted. Yeah. Monitoring, as I mentioned, the ongoing collection of the data. Like today, you are doing the meeting with the teams. You are provide the service of the 10 person. You are do the in the triage area some health education session there. This, all of this is, collect this data. This is the monitoring. Evaluation, you are evaluate this data. Is it meet with our objective or not? Yeah. This is the create the plan about plan of the monitoring and evaluation. This is the third process. From the collection data, gathering the information according of your plan. If your plan is request for you the numbers, you have used the quantitative method. If your program need to collection the information and the data about the conception of the people or the ideas of the people, you have to use the qualitative method data. That means based on your objective, you can see or select the suitable or convenient technique about the collection of the data. The the 5 step, analyzing and reporting the finding. That means after your collection the data by using the suitable or convenient data techniques here. After that, you have to analyze this data, because the data without the analyze is not have the things here, or not have the benefit. Because after the analyze, you can convert to information. Third step, you can analyze this data and prepare the chart or the report to know you are in tracking or not in tracking. This is a very hello. Hello, do you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
We are hearing you. Yeah, we are hearing you.
Hello, team.
We are hearing you. Yes.
Dear doctor, how are you?
I think, do you hear me?
Yeah,
Hello?
we are hearing you. We are hearing you.
Hello, Gazi.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
I'm hearing
Hello.
you, teacher.
Hello, you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
How about my voice? Is it audible or is clear?
Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, clear.
Okay, good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah, clear. Let us continue.
Okay, good. This is the step we mentioned. First, define the goal or the objective of the project, develop the indicators, then create the M&E or monitoring and evaluation plan. You can collect the data. You can analyze and report the finding. Analyze data. Analyze the data. Data which you are collected from from the monitoring with the different method. Some data were collection by survey, and other is by interview, and other also you can use the focus group discussion method and observation. There's someone who needs to join. Let them. Now you can see the survey. Survey is a questionnaire to gathering the quantitative from the participants. Quantitative data, as we mentioned before, quantitative data is mean the numerical data, like 1, 2, 3, like that. This is the quantitative by numbering data. That means interview, one-on-one discussion for the qualitative insight. Qualitative insight, that means the perception of the someone. This is the qualitative. It is not numerical, just the idea or concept of the some person, like as someone. How about the service? How about the mental health service in Omduhon area? This is the he write it is good or it is not good. This is the qualitative insight or qualitative concept. It is the writing, not have number. Idea about or perception about the someone. Focus group discussion. We can collect the 5 to 10 or 6 to 10 person to gather their experience about the some perception. This also is the some techniques you are using. Observation. You can just watching your programs here. You can observe. Just you can when you are going or when you are visit health facilities, just you can see about the triage area, and also you can see the operation area. How about is it their practice the infection prevention control or not practice? How about the consultation? About the medical doctors is doing consultation, the time? How about the awareness? Just you can see, observe, not ask anyone, but you can during with your observe, you can collect the data. Now we can let us to talk about some challenges facing us during the programs or implementing the program or to do the monitoring and evaluation of the project. There is someone he need to join with us. Now we are going to talk about the challenges about the monitoring and evaluation. One of the challenges is a limited resource. Limited resource, that means lack of the time and funding or staff who's qualified, and effectiveness hinder of monitoring and evaluation. The monitoring and evaluation we are mentioned is very important about the project, like a project implemented by the NGOs or implemented by the government. We need or by the government. It's very important to do the monitoring and evaluation. But unfortunately, due to some limitation of the resource, like the time or the funding, because some projects not have the enough funding to make the monitoring and evaluation. Yeah. Now, if you see some problem which is facing for the project which is implemented by the government, it is lack of the monitoring evaluation, because they are not implement the project by not implement the project effectiveness or efficiently. You can observe here, if you see the SAMSA project implemented by the governments. Yeah, you can note this point. Yeah, because some of them they're not have the enough resource, because to make this monitoring you need some teams and to train them, and also have the time and give them the money to make this monitoring and evaluation. Second challenges of monitoring and evaluation, the data quality issues. Yeah, sometimes even when you are implementing the project with the NGOs or with the government, those teams who are collected that data, who are collected that data, it is have the incomplete data or inaccurate data. Sometimes it is not complete the report. There is some data is missing. When the some data is missing, that is difficult for you to make the good monitoring and evaluation. That's why it's very important to make the accurate and completed data during the collection of the program. Yeah. Second challenges of the monitoring and evaluation is resistance to evaluate. Some stakeholders not have interested to make a monitoring and evaluation. They are hesitant about to participate in evaluation. Yeah, this is the main This is the main challenges about the monitoring and evaluation during the project. One is the limited resource. Second is the data quality issues. Third is the resistance to evaluate. Now let us to see the using the monitoring and evaluation. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, now let us to see the using monitoring and evaluation finding, where we are going to use the finding of monitoring and evaluation. One, to improve the program. Yeah, to use to evaluate the results, to make the necessary change and improve the future intervention. One of the benefits or the using of the monitoring and evaluation finding to improve the program. Now, if you implement the one programs, example, project, when you are implementing implementing or implementation of your project, you can evaluate your results. Sometimes you can find the distribution of the plumpnet, it is not enough, or there is the number of the, or increasing the number of the children, are also they not have a suitable place, or they not have good awareness session. You are evaluate during you can evaluate yourself after implement the former project. You have some mistake, or there some point which you are not covered well. This evaluation, when you are evaluate yourself and find you have some mistake, you can use this lesson in the future programs. If you are get another project, the same project second time, that means you can overcome that problem and can improve the project when you are implemented again. Yeah, this is one of the finding of the monitoring and evaluation. Second, increase stakeholder engagement. Increase stakeholder engagement means what? To share the success story. After you are implement the project, you are passed with a different problem or different obstacle. This obstacle can be like lesson learning to can share with the others. Sometimes you can tell them, let me to give you the some benefit of the lesson learning. When you are implementing, or one day we are implementing some project in Warisali area, we are make a mistake during the rain season. We not have enough stock in our facilities or in our health facilities, and we need and also we are have the beneficiaries need to use the drugs. The stock of the drugs at the facilities, it is not enough, and the rainy season, it is stuck. There is no moving, because the valley, the place is very raining. It's difficult to move. Yeah, this is the one of the lesson you can share with the other teams in the next years. You can tell them one of the lesson learning we have to get the benefit from past project. We have to transfer the stock of the clinic before rainy season. This is a lesson learning. Can let the other to learning from you. In the finding of the monitoring and evaluation, after finishing the monitoring and evaluation or finish the project, you have to share with the success story to let to gain the benefit from the other. Yeah. And also by monitoring and evaluation can increase the stakeholder engagement. Stakeholders, that means donors, those who are paying the money. Also is also include those get the benefit, those who are consume the service. Also is the manager or those team who implement all of these, call them the stakeholder. There is the different people here. With the monitoring and evaluation can increase the engagement, the stakeholders can let them to engage together and work very hard, work together and let their working to be more harmony and more cooperative. Yeah, with the monitoring and evaluation. Third finding of the monitoring and evaluation support the funding proposal. Use the data to demonstrate the impact to attract the finding. When you are request the money, or if you need to do some project, example right now, if you need to do some project in Central Darfur, you have to make the proposal or concept note. This proposal can use the data from the monitoring and evaluation. You can tell them we have like 10 health facilities, you have the 3 million beneficiaries, you have in the proposal you can use this data which you collect from the monitoring and evaluation and can let your proposal to be more supportive and to be more to be more impact or convince to the donors. The donors, when they see your proposal is meet with good data and good information, that can let you to support, to give you the money to do the project. Yeah, this is also the finding of the monitoring and evaluation. Now can let us to see the conclusion. A recap: monitoring and evaluation are the essential for the assessing program effectiveness and enhancing the accountability. Is the very it is assessing the effectiveness of the program. Effectiveness, that means you can achieve your goal 100%. This is the mean the effectiveness. And enhance the accountability. That means you can let to distribute your resource based on your need. Yeah, enhancing the accountability. It is not corruption. It is let the work is go to perfect. Yeah, this is the main essential or main benefit of the monitoring evaluation. Also, the strong monitoring and evaluation system help us to ensure that program achieve their intended outcome and make the positive impact. Monitoring evaluation system can let us to achieve the program and outcomes. Yeah. Additionally, can help us to make the positive impact. Yeah, thank you for your attention. Yeah, this is our session today or workshop about the monitoring and evaluation. Let us to do the some summary in 5 minutes. Monitoring, as we say, the ongoing process. You are going to collect the data continuously. Evaluation, you are going to assess that data or information. The main purpose, which we are mentioned, of the monitoring and evaluation to improve the performance of the project and also to ensure the accountability of the project. Also, we are talk about the importance of the monitoring and evaluation, and we see tracking the progress to see how the project is progressing. Is it good or not good? Yeah. Second, important of the monitoring and evaluation inform decision making, can give us good information to make the good decision. Third, important of the monitoring and evaluation, enhancing the accountability to show us or to show the stakeholder how resources are used and the impact has been achieved. Yeah. Also, we are talking about the component of the monitoring, and we see the component of the monitoring, performance indicators and data collection, and also regular meeting. Also, we are explain about the component of evaluation, and we mentioned evaluation question is very important. Is very important. Did these activities is the meet our objective or not? This is a very important question. Second component of the evaluation, type of the evaluation, formative and summative. Formative is the during of the project. Summative, that means after finishing the project, we are making the evaluation. Also, we are talking about the data analysis, very important techniques. Step of the monitoring and evaluation process to define the goals and also to develop the indicators and create the monitoring and evaluation plan. Also, we are collect data and make the reporting. Also, we are talking about the analyzing data. Also, we are mentioning very important. We are using the different techniques: survey, interview, and focus group discussion and observation. Also, we are talking about the challenges which we are facing or which we will be facing during the monitoring and evaluation. Challenges, the limited resource and data quality, it is not good, and also resistant to evaluation. Yeah. Last point which we are speak about the using monitoring and evaluation finding to improve the program, also to increase the stakeholders and also supportive data in funding proposal. Thank you a lot. Now, floor for you. If there are some comment or some question, feel free and ask. Yeah, in our topic, monitoring and evaluation. Now, floor for you. Is there some comment? Some? You are welcome.
Yes, sir.
Welcome, Anwar.
Okay. Doctor, thank you. Good evening. I hope you're doing well. So for today, especially here, we have suffered from internet connectivity was somehow bad. So that's why we have suffered in and out to at least connect to the lecture, but we didn't get the enough chance. But it's okay. We will go back through YouTube to recover it. And we do thank you for what you are doing. It's really great, and we do appreciate it. I don't have a lot to say.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Anwar, for your comment. Yeah. Okay, doesn't matter. I will share the link with the teams. Can let them to see what is the main information about our session today. Is there another question or some comment also? Okay, thank you. Perhaps internet is not good. Yeah. Laterly, I don't know now or laterly can discuss with the all team to see the convenient time that let all team or most of the team to available or to have access to join with the session. Yeah.
Lecture.
You have something to say?
Yeah, what I'm about to say is like I'm suggesting that especially these days, people are suffering, especially for those who are in Sudan and for other rest of us. So I'm suggesting that it would be like once in 15 days is okay,
In what? I couldn't get you. Hello? Okay, internet it is not good, yeah. Yeah, to see the most yes.
I have something to say. I don't know. This one is the fairest lecture or not, because I think that you said this is too brave. In brave way.
Okay. It is not the first lecture. This is the team four or five lectures, yeah. Five workshop.
Because it's the fairest time for me, unfortunately.
Okay. Also, the rest of the workshop which we are did, you can find in the YouTube link, yeah. In the YouTube, yeah. I will share this.
You come across the monitoring and evaluation measurement.
Yes, you say what?
You come across the monitoring and evaluation management, the measurement of monitoring and evaluation.
Okay, the measurement of the monitoring and evaluation.
Yeah, you come across it.
I couldn't get you very well because of internet.
Okay, I think that's a matter of internet, so no matter. I will know from other. You tell me that there is a page in YouTube, so I will see the rest there.
Okay, I couldn't get your question. I couldn't. Yeah, network. This is due to network. Yeah, but doesn't matter. We can make a discussion in the group, or also yeah, we can make some discussion there. Yeah, but today really I noticed or I realized that not yeah, due to this, let me to say the thanks to all of you, and I hope you are and I hope you are get the understanding about the monitoring and evaluation. As you know, this monitoring and evaluation is very important as the public health professional. Yeah, that can help us how you can implement your project very nicely and to be more effective here. Yeah, for this, yeah, really to get good information about that. Now I can say for you, thank you, and we will keep in touch. Yeah, thank you. Have a good night. Yeah,
Thank you. But before,
yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
No
thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Stop recording. Yes.